Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and we finally get to look at this Master Lock limited edition 100-year anniversary padlock. If you notice that the Master Lock logo, the old style one, 100 years in that lion's mouth, it says established in 1921, and the lock model is actually 1921 EURDCC, which I kind of like. You'll notice it's a 9 out of 10 security rating, even if they do say so themselves. It comes with 2 keys. Which I haven't taken off because this lock isn't mine. This is my good friend Yukov's who lent it to me, so thank you Yukov for lending it to me. And it says free keychain, which I think is one of the most disappointing parts of this because it looks okay, doesn't it? It's just a bit of rubber with some paint on it. Would it have really hurt, because they put like the old school logo on the keys, would it have really hurt to made a metal keyring with some enamel on it or something? Just, you know, I would have liked that. I don't hate on Master Lock. I mean, they don't make some great locks. They do make some okay ones. The Pro Series locks that this one is based off are pretty good. For example, it's just that, yeah, they apart from some, I like the color schemes and everything, but I just feel like they phoned this one in. It's just, like I said, a Pro Series lock with a bit of paint. And whilst it's not terrible, it's also kind of like, yeah, just low effort. When you look at the Abus Iron Rock limited edition or reissue, wow, that looks so nice compared to this. This just looks like meh. Anyway, it's basically just a laminated lock with some weather shielding on, which, ow, it's going to kill my nails, and a Pro style keyway. We'll have a go at picking this. Let's have a look. What have we got here? A bit of turning force, bottom of the keyway, and should we go for a flat top short hook? There we go. I think it might be 6 pins in this. I don't know for sure. So that's pin 3 already. 2. 4. 3 again. Try pin 1 here. Nice, that felt good. Pin 3 again. Pin 2 now. Oh. We are already open. I need something else to help turn this. Why didn't I think of that earlier? What have I got? I've got this. Can I put that in the top of the keyway to pull it around? I think so. Yep, should be able to. Pull this bottom one out. There we go. Definitely got the open there. So now we've got that open, can we gut this? And it looks like there is a way to do that. I've got my Imperial things out already. I didn't check what this was. I have screwdrivers and these Allen keys. Got it in there. Let's have a go. I got the right size as well. That was literally pure luck at this point. So lots of spools in this, which is good, and I couldn't really count, and I could have counted to begin with. I didn't. Whether it's 5 or 6 pins, it could be either, truthfully. And there you can see it's just a laminated lock with a changeable core. Oh no! So I don't think we can gut this because it's, that is why. They could just put a circlip on the back. What they've done is to stop this from being gutted is they've actually just put a crimp in. It's possible if I turn this the right way. Oh no, so I'm worried that I won't be able to get a follower in there, because I was thinking I could turn it this way and I could sort of get it to turn past that, but I think what the issue there, I don't have the key and it's locked back up. I think that theoretically, whilst I could gut this, a follower wouldn't be able to go in there because of that little crimping. So it looks like it was 6 pins, which I guess is quite nice. There were definitely spools in there. I can't gut it any further than this, or at least if I could gut it, I don't think I could confidently put it back together. And it's, like I said, it's not my lock, so I'd really rather not go ahead and do that. So anyway, yeah, picked a little faster than I was expecting. It's okay, I think. Should we say it's okay? It's an okay lock. At least it's no worse than a lot of Master Locks out there, but yeah, it's not winning any awards for effort, in my opinion. Anyway, look, if you like this video, please leave a like. If you have any comments about this lock, please leave them below. I do read them all and reply to as many as I can. If you haven't subscribed and want to see more content like this, please do subscribe. It really helps my channel out. And of course, stay safe, happy picking, and I'll see you all next time.